Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm showing you the simple way to make your videos look professional with AI backgrounds and turn long footage into viral clips fast. I'll walk you through generating a clean background, swapping it in, and using Vizard to automatically cut and schedule all your best moments. By the end, you'll have a polished video and a full queue of ready to post shorts without a boring editing marathon. First thing, you absolutely need a background that looks intentional, like a curated creator setup that isn't distracting. Use any AI image generator like Leonardo, but the key is prompting it specifically for a clean, modern setup with cinematic lighting and depth. Once generated, save a high-resolution favorite and remember to create a few variants for batch content creation later on. For a simple background swap, CapCut works great because its free auto cutout feature is surprisingly solid for removing your original background. You layer the AI image first, place your video above it, apply the cutout to the foreground, and then add a subtle blur effect to the background layer for that cinematic depth. That manual process is perfect for single clips when you want hands-on control, but it becomes a huge time sink when batching content from long recordings. This is exactly where Vizard shines because it finds the viral moments and creates platform-ready clips automatically while you keep control of your desired AI background aesthetic. To start the batch flow, just upload your entire raw long video file into the Vizard platform where it can handle large formats smoothly. Vizard's magic step is automatically detecting high engagement moments, like laughs, strong emotion, or clear topic shifts, picking the viral ready parts for you. While it's working, you can upload all your AI background images into the project assets, knowing Vizard supports simple layering and background replacement. If you still need fine-tuning, you can export Vizard's clips and drop them into CapCut for final color tweaks, but the built-in editor is often professional enough fast. Next, use the auto edit feature to instantly create multiple vertical and horizontal versions optimized for TikTok, Shorts, and Reels, all formatted correctly. It handles trimming intros, removing dead air, and adding quick jump cuts automatically to keep viewer retention as high as possible. Then, simply set up the auto schedule feature by telling Vizard your posting cadence and which platforms you want to target for consistent distribution. Finally, use the integrated content calendar to preview, rearrange, or make final tweaks to anything scheduled across all your channels in one single view. CapCut is great for precise control, but as a solo creator, you simply do not have time to manually find every clip, format variations, and schedule each post separately. Other AI editors often miss context or produce awkward cuts, and many force you to download and manually re-upload for cross-platform scheduling, which is a massive time sink. Vizard perfectly hits the sweet spot by finding the moments that actually work, editing them into ready-to-post clips, and handling all the scheduling natively in one application. This entire workflow saves you hours every single week, allowing you to focus on creating content rather than constantly being stuck in the editing marathon. I took one 90-minute interview, and Vizard churned out 15 strong, perfectly timed clips in less than 20 minutes with clean jump cuts applied. I immediately applied the consistent, subtly blurred AI background across those clips for a strong, professional visual aesthetic that made the content immediately more appealing. Just 2 days later, one of those Vizard-generated clips hit way higher engagement than anything I had manually produced for that entire series previously. For maximum impact, remember to maintain a consistent backdrop vibe across all your content by sticking to a specific color theme like warm tones or blue neon across your AI images. To replicate this, generate AI images, use Vizard to auto-detect highlights, and produce optimized clips from your long video, and then rely on the auto-schedule feature. If you want the exact prompt template I use for those clean backgrounds or my sample Vizard settings, just drop a comment asking for the template below. Also, tell me which platform you are focusing on right now, and I can give you specific recommendations for the best clip lengths and posting cadence. This powerful combo of visual polish from AI art and heavy lifting automation from Vizard is genuinely the fastest way to maintain a full social feed without burning out. If this walkthrough helped you streamline your workflow, please hit like and follow, and drop any tool questions you have in the comments below.